안녕하세요. Hi everyone. I'm your number one native Korean teacher, Hong. Today you are going to learn these consonants. Today it's a little bit difficult because many Korean learners have difficulty in pronouncing these sounds. So you have to know how to pronounce these 5 consonants. So if you don't know how to pronounce it, please check videos above. If you're ready, allow me to start. So how to pronounce it? Ka. Ka. So compared to the upper one, how they are different. So there is one more stroke. When it comes to Korean consonant, if there is one more stroke, you need to release more air. It should be ka. And then ka. Number 1 is ka. Ka. A little bit air was released. Ka. But the second one is ka. 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 One more stroke, more air should be released. Okay? And then this is ta. Ta. Compared to the upper one, there is one more stroke. One more stroke, more air. So number 1 is ta. Ta. So a little bit move because of a little bit air. Ta. And then the second one is ta. Ta. It moves a lot because of a lot of air. And then pa. Pa. So this has one more stroke, so should be more air. Pa. Pa. And this is ta. Ta. Here one more stroke, more air. Cha. Cha. Okay, so first line, a little bit air. But second line, one more stroke, so should be more air. And then next line. So compared to the first one, how is it different? Yes, it's double consonant, okay? Remember, double consonant case, double blocking the air. So it should be ka. Ka. So let me show you. This is number 1, number 2, number 3. So ka. A little bit air. And second one is ka. A lot of air. And then ka. Ka. No air. This one also double consonant. So double blocking the air. So this is ta. 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 Okay? And pa. Pa. Double blocking. Pa. Pa. Ta. More air. Ta. Double consonant. No air. Ja. Ja. And it is sa. Sa. And this is sa. Sa. When you pronounce this double snowy mountain sound, just release the air very quickly compared to the upper one. So sa, sa, sa. Okay? But even though it is double consonant case, the air is released, right? But I wrote here in this line because of the similarity how it looks like. To sum up, the first line, you should release a little bit air. But second one has one more stroke. More air should be released. And then the last one, double consonant case, double blocking the air. So they are different depending on the amount of air. But actually, most Korean learners pronounce the third one as the second one. That is the wrong sound. So that means you release too much air. Okay? So be careful not to release too much air to pronounce the third line. Okay? So could you repeat after me? Ka, ka, ka. Ta, ta, ta. Pa, 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 cha, 차, 짜, 사, 싸. So only this line, let's practice. 까, 까, 따, 따, 빠, 빠, 짜, 짜. 자요, 자요, 자요. A little bit air, but this has one more stroke, more air. 차요, 차요. And then double consonant case, double blocking. 짜요, 짜요. So the first one, it means I'm sleeping. And then second one, it means I'm kicking, like I'm kicking the ball. And then it's salty. Depending on the amount of air, the meaning is totally different. So you have to be careful the amount of air when you pronounce. One more example. 비자, 비자, 비자. This is visa, visa. Okay. And then this has one more, so more air. 피자, 피자. So it's pizza, pizza. Okay. So only difference is the initial consonant. Okay. The amount of air is different. So you have to be careful. So here double consonant, double gun, so double blocking. 꼬리, 꼬리, which means tail. 꼬리. And here one more stroke, so more air, and then double consonant case, double blocking the air. 토끼, which means a rabbit. 토끼, 토끼. And one more stroke, more air, double consonant, no air. Okay. 코끼리, 코끼리. 코끼리 means elephant. And this double consonant case, double blocking the air. 머리띠, 머리띠, 띠, 머리띠. And this belt in Korean is the double blocking 허리띠, 허리띠. And this father is 아빠, 아빠. Don't pronounce like 아파. 아파. If you pronounce 아파, you release too much air. 아빠 should be 아빠, no air. 아빠. And 바빠요. 바빠요. Don't pronounce 바파요. 바파요. If you pronounce like 파, you release too much air. 바빠요 should be 바빠요. And this is double one. So 예뻐요, 예뻐요, 예뻐요. And 짜요, 짜요. 싸요, 싸요. 비싸요, 비싸요. And then stew, 찌개, 찌개. No air, 찌개. Bone in Korean, 뼈, 뼈. 가짜, 가짜. Today we learn Korean consonant. Many Korean learners are pronouncing wrong. And I hope it helps you. Thank you for watching my video today. 그럼 다음에 또 만나요.